My name is Grant Rahmeyer, and I'm the founder of Rah Law. Here at Rah Law, we specialize in car wreck cases. You may be thinking to yourself, what do I do if I've been in a car wreck? Then you also may be thinking to yourself, do I need to call an attorney to get this matter settled? Here are a few things that I tell people every day that I deal with these cases. First and foremost, after the car wreck, it's very important to gather some significant evidence. Some of it seems obvious. You need to get the contact information of the other driver as well as their insurance information. This can be done by simply taking a picture of it with your phone. Take a picture of their license plate. And while you're there at the scene, we all have cell phones on us. So please take photographs of the damage. Take photographs of your car. Take a lot of them. Take photographs of the scene. Take photographs of the person's car that hit you. And if there are any witnesses that saw the car wreck, get their name and number. We call the police all the time after these car wrecks, but here in Springfield, Missouri, unless there's a serious injury, a lot of times the police will not come. And by the time they get there, the witnesses may be gone. So first and foremost, get the evidence at the scene. And next, if you are injured, if you are hurting, when that adrenaline wears off, even after you get home and your neck starts hurting, your back starts hurting, or you get that crushing headache, it is so important to go to the hospital. You can go to the emergency room, the urgent care, call your primary care doctor if you can get in soon. But those injuries must be documented. I deal with this every day. And if the way insurance companies work is that if the injuries aren't documented by a medical provider, then in their mind, you aren't hurt. And the longer you wait, even if you are really hurt, they're going to claim those injuries were pre-existing conditions, or maybe those injuries happened after the wreck, or they just aren't related to the wreck. That's why it is so important to get those injuries documented by a medical provider as soon as possible. And once you've done this, this is the first, 24 hours after you've been in this car wreck. Then you are thinking, when do I need to call an attorney? And I tell people the same thing every single day. I am not one of those attorneys that's going to sign up every single car wreck case and use you as a mill to settle your case cheap and easy without really benefiting you. What I tell clients is if your injuries resolve within 4 to 6 weeks, it's probably not worth hiring an attorney. There's only so much injury there, and the insurance company will still likely pay for your medical bills and lost wages, and they'll give you a very small amount for pain and suffering for those 4 to 6 weeks. Now, if the injuries start lasting longer than 6 weeks, 12 weeks, and they turn into chronic injuries, or if you already know they're chronic injuries because you had to have surgery, injections, ablations, or significant therapy, without an attorney that knows what they're doing, you will never get full value and full compensation for your settlement without an attorney that knows what they're doing, that has the results of taking these cases to trial and advocating for their client at trial. So if you've been in a car wreck, first, follow the first steps. Gather the evidence. Go to the hospital. And then if you have serious injuries, give us a call. We'll walk you through the process. You don't have to hire us right away. Let us know what's going on so we can advise you. It costs you nothing. Give us a call and see if we can help.